guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I really don't know what I'm going to make yet because I filmed these intros ahead of time, you know, just so I have more time on my hands. Whatever it is, I hope you guys enjoy it. If this is your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, let's get on to the DIY.
All right, so I'm going to be using a total of 34 of these blocks, so you'll need one package, and then also a couple of these sheets of the poster board stickers from Dollar Tree. You'll need 2 sets to have enough letters for this sign, and all I'm going to do is glue my Jenga blocks, or I'm sorry, my wood blocks to create a frame. Oh, and also you'll need some foam board, as you can see below. I'm going to make a row, 2 rows of 7, 2 rows of 10, and then create the frame.
For nothing more than you. Think about it. If I could, I would be the perfect deja vu.
So I'm going to use this chalkboard paint and acrylic white paint from Dollar Tree. I will probably be using it a lot, and what's great about black and white is that you can create multiple shades of gray, so I'm going to do like a medium dark toned gray. Using a baby wipe, I'm going to use it to create a stain. I have been doing this for the last few videos, so you guys kind of get the gist of what's happening here. So I'm making a mark a little over 4 inches 2 times on this poster board, and I'm going to create 2 lines to make it look like shiplap, not shiplap, but the wood boards. And then using this little Dollar Tree tool, I'm just going to go ahead and go in through that line and create like a little crease into it. Once that's done, I'm going to erase the pencil line.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
So for my other letters, I'm going to be using my alcohol markers, and I absolutely love these. They are super smooth and just have really awesome colors and consistency. So I will try to link these below if I can actually find the ones that I've purchased. If not, I'll probably link some that are similar to these.
Yeah, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when
guys, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.